Hi there, this is Brittany, and thank you so much for joining me. We are on, nope, I messed up. 543. Hi there, this is Brittany from Learn to Spell, and thank you so much for joining me for another week of spelling words. We are currently on week 6 of our spelling list, which means that you will get 10 new words to practice for this week. But before we begin, please be sure to subscribe by hitting that subscribe button below. Also, be sure to turn on notifications so that you will know as soon as I post a new video each week. This week, we are going to change things up a little bit. You will still receive 10 words for the week to study and to practice, but instead of only going through the words one time in this video, I am actually going to go through the entire list twice. And I am doing that because repetition will help you to build up your spelling skills. So as I go through this list, I will pronounce the word and then I will spell the word and then I will pronounce the word again. We will do that for all 10 words and then we will go through that process once again, and that should help you to repeat pronouncing the words. Should help you to continue to practice saying and spelling each of these words. So, our 10 words for this week are weather, tame, animal, page, dime, above, huge, summer, soap, and lime. Weather. 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 Tame. 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 Animal. 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 Page. 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 Dime. 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 Above. 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 Huge. 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 Summer. 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 Soap. 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 Lime. 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 And again, we are going to go through the list one more time. Weather. 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 Tame. 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 Animal. 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 Page. 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 Dime. 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 Above. 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 Huge. 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 Summer, SUMMER, summer. Soap, SOAP, soap. And lime, LIME, lime. Now, those are our words for this week. Be sure to practice pronouncing and spelling the words every single day. And my advice would be to listen to this video in its entirety each day so that you can practice. And remember, repetition or repeating with practice is key. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you next Monday. Bye.